Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here another reaction. Today we're here with Nation Boss and Yaksta. Emotions. Big up Nation Boss. Big up Yaksta. Emotions. So that is what we're doing today. I'm bringing it on the screen here. So yeah. So this is what we're doing today. Nation Boss was from like a little snippet pan him WhatsApp story. The video get viral. Song bad humans. And Yaksta basically the same thing with Ambition. Went viral with Ambition and the whole place a burn up. So these two doing a collab right now. I'm not surprised, but let's see what to expect. Let's hear what them have. I know I'm gonna be very impressed with these two, cause to me Yaksta is like a younger version of Chronixx, if that makes sense. Like the next international big thing out of Jamaica is gonna be Yaksta for me. So two positive youths forward together, it only can be positiveness. I understand? So without further delay, let's jump straight tonight. We're not waste of time. Let's go, guys.
Nation Boss, yeah. Bush loader. JAMAICA, you know. Nation. When emotions are fast to you, one prayer heal all those.
Yo, Yaksta style is just different. Yaksta is like a down-to-earth, authentic Rastaman. Yaksta have that personal about him. Yo, Maria Yaksta down to the groundness Yaksta walk pan. Big up St. Mary people them. Yaksta forward from St. Mary. So this is like a force from the like the country force. Cause the two of them come from country. Let's hear it again.
Nation. When emotions are fast to you, one prayer heal all those. Just remember, say Jah feels your pain. Jah feels your pain.
The song name Emotion, and the first two lines of the song that kill me. Man say, yo, when emotion pass through you, Jah heal your pain. Yo, it's like you can see the emotion on him face when him are singing. This a come from him bottom of him heart. You see me? So Yaksta are doing thing.
Jah feels your pain. Jah feels your pain. The sky's not blue. My native don't give up too soon. Just remember, say Jah feels your pain.
So this is like a motivational track. It basically them two are speak for the less fortunate who don't have a voice to speak. You see me? Basically them say, yo, be strong. Jah is always gonna feel your pain. So just do what you do and try pull through at the other side. I'm not disappointed. Jah feels.
I could have real on the car, sorry. Them say the cake I want the car fight. Keep up my booking at them sorry. Style it now I'm a bad right. The wagon full of mom can't carry. Don't count me out so me you can't dally.
But glad. Take out the glasses, man. Yo. Oh my god. I'm sitting here and I'm watching this, and all I see is greatness for these two artists. Like greatness, like endless. They're both international. They're both gonna go. They're very young in their career, but are international artists. Them two of them are international artists, dog.
Do me thing and got the seminar. There is a bit of shame and face. We make I water. Partially them style me already know I tell the boss sorry. I love the thing me listen when you talk, mommy. Cause humans want to take my heart from me.
So him still.
I love the thing me listen when you talk, mommy. Cause humans want.
So that scare there is from his last video also, Humans. Which is Nation Boss. Humans. You understand? So that scare there are from them take him out in a Humans. Cause him song say, this is why we not like humans. And in another video there, them show you how basically him bury him out to protect it from people. So you understand?
Take my heart from me. Catch up forever, you know I can't drop it. Nation bush lad, I sing harmony. Enough time I feel like ball, but me read a psalms, tell myself me alright.
enough time and tell him say if I'm say him alright, him read a song, but him far from it. You see me? So basically I tell you say, yo, listen, when you sit on the outside, inside a different thing are going inside, you see me? And me like the fact say the two artists them just for the occasion, them clean dog. Them clean, bro. And Nation Boss especially theme life change in a split of a second, dog. Big up Bugle and them man they will start share the video first and thing and make it reach enough people's eyes. Yo.
When emotions are passed through you,
yeah.
One prayer heal all those wounds. Just remember, say Jah Jah feels your pain. Jah Jah feels your pain.
The sky's not blue. My native don't give up too soon. Just remember, say Jah Jah feels your pain. Jah Jah feels your pain. I get scars, but trouble say humble me.
This are the producer youth where boss Yaksta's first song. We make the first beat for Yaksta song. Forgot him name though. Big up yourself, my G.
Words can't explain what I feel. Me see too much humans are pretend.
No, sorry, not Yaksta. Nation Boss first song. Sorry, I don't want anybody in the comment section say correct me, cause me should know this. Him are the producer we do Nation Boss, which is on the street. No first track.
If you be real, so me deal with facts of a feeling. Cut me and know me no bleed. Yeah, me feel pain, I'm a green. If I roll with no blame, I'm a weak. Cause them too deceiving, bro. Not a friend we no need.
Change the game into this.
One track with two grades.
Definitely. The man changed the game in 2 days. Right now, everybody are pre-farming right now. If you're not pre-farming, something wrong with you. That you to make farming cool again in Jamaica. That you to make farming cool again. You're gonna go buy some goat. You're gonna go get some chicken. You see me? Yeah. Go on the field, go plant some pepper. And yo, that you to change the game in 2 days. And we needed something like this in our music to shift the pattern a little bit. Cause too much of the trapping and too much of this and too much of that did go on and it get boring now. So them two youth are change the game in yo.
Nation, we're too great.
Veterans of today.
Congratulations, I'm like touche.
Veterans of today. Greatness. Veterans of today. Congratulate, yo.
Many say they want us winning.
I'm like, really, do they? We fall the crusade.
Are there excuses?
Yo, this deep, you fuck. This deep, brother, like submarine.
Congratulations, I'm like touche.
Yeah.
Many say they want us winning.
I'm like, really, do they?
Me like how them take it bar for bar, yeah, so. Many say them want us to be winning. And Yaksta is like, I'm like, really? Do they? Doesn't seem like it. Yo.
We fall the crusade.
Yep.
Are there excuses too late?
I'm like, really? Okay, we fall them crusade. So if Yaksta and Nation Boss fall, them clap and celebrate and say, yeah, that is what we wanted. Yeah. So them say them want you win, but them not mean it. Basically, I say that.
Emotions are passed through you. One prayer heal all those wounds. Just remember, say Jah Jah feels your pain. Jah Jah feels your pain.
The sky's not blue. My native don't give up too soon. Just remember, say Jah Jah feels your pain. Jah Jah feels your pain.
Yo, I love the collab. I love the two of them link up together. And I do this. You see me? This is what the music need. Unity. Two young artists were just bust out of the park. Hot artists. Link up and put the strength together and I give it something positive like this. Come on, like veteran artists. Why one can't do it too? If two young artists are showing us say them can do it, why one can't do it, dog?
This one to them proud of you, yeah.
Most definitely.
North Coast Force.
Yeah.
North Coast Force. Slang that, you know, North Coast Force. So him come from St. Mary and him come from St. Ann for the North Coast. Two of them is a force to be reckoned with. North Coast Force. North Coast Force.
Mafia.
I the nation boss,
Jah Jah feels your pain.
Jah Jah feels.
So basically, him a share him art so with him. Him a put him art in a Yaksta hand. You see me? Cause Yaksta now becoming brother, you know, musical brother, and like you know them it like it's a bond between them two, you know, you see me? Yeah, because they're on the same wavelength.
Due time they shall know the power we possess. Beings from a different life form. You know what I mean? Different realm. One nation. Bush. Full in our course. One goal.
Troublemaker Music, the producer name. The producer name Troublemaker Music. Yo, I'm not disappointed in this song. Love this song. Love the message in this song. There's lots of hidden meaning in the video itself. Me love how them carry themselves, how them dress. You understand? Them attire. You see me? As two young youth in the business, them not depend on what people hype me. Them not bleed short. Them not depend on that. You see me? Two down to earth Jamaicans as doing great for the music and for themselves and for them family. Them family must proud of them. Nation boss, big up on the damn Nation boss, big up yourself. Yaksta, big up yourself, my G. But una two international artists and the fact say una link, that is even bigger, brother. Respect the two of them to the max. You see me? Una give it 2 tracks so far away. A bangers, brother. Half a play in a dancehall right now. So big up on yourself, dog. I really appreciate this song, this message. Really appreciate it, sir. Big up on yourself, and I hope many success forward for no way. You understand? But this is how I'm gonna leave the reaction, guys. If you enjoy the reaction, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe if you're new around here, and leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the song. The full length of the song will be in the description below also. Alright? So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.